Brainy Bunch TV, where you discover, learn and grow.
Numbers, it's so much fun. Start at the top and down we run. That's how we write the number one. Curve around and loop to the go. That's a perfect number two for you. Curve around 2 times, make a grin. It makes number 3, let's write again. Down and across, then straight down once more. Look, you've written the number 4. A short neck, a round belly, then a straight line too. That's how we write the number 5, it's true. Oh yes, let's write some more. Make a loop, then curl up quick to the floor. And there you have the number 6, you see. You're writing numbers like a pro, just wait and see. Slide to the right, then take it down. That's how we write the number 7 in this town. Make it S and loop it up with flair. Now you've written number 8, show you care. A circle and a line going down so fine. That's how you write the number 9 every time. Make a line and add an oval too, and you've made the mighty number 10, it's true. Numbers are so much fun to write. Oh yes, you're doing great tonight.
Thanks for singing with Brainy Bunch TV. Don't forget to like and subscribe.